In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash on delivery in Appy Marketplace. We'll walk through enabling cash on delivery as a payment option inside your multi-vendor marketplace app, so your customers can choose to pay when they receive their order. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to edit the app and access payment settings. Start by signing in to Appy and head to the Builder. From your main dashboard, open the Builder area so you can manage your app settings. Once you're in, look for the Manage option. Clicking Manage takes you to your list of apps and their controls. Find your store app in the list and open it. If you manage multiple projects, double-check the app name or icon so you're editing the correct one. Next, choose Manage App to access the configuration area where features and settings are organized. Inside the app, open the Multi-Vendor Marketplace feature. This is where settings specific to marketplace functionality live, including payment methods for checkouts that involve multiple sellers. Give the page a second to load, especially if you're on a slower connection. Now focus on the left-hand side panel. This sidebar contains all the sections you'll use to fine-tune your marketplace experience. Click on Settings to open the general configuration options. Within Settings, select Payment Settings. This is the dedicated area for turning payment methods on or off and adjusting any related preferences. In Payment Settings, locate the Cash on Delivery option. You should see a checkbox next to it. Click the checkbox to enable cash on delivery. If your screen shows any descriptive text or optional fields related to code, such as internal notes or conditions, review them and keep your policies in mind, like where you're willing to offer code and any delivery zones that make sense for your business. These fields may vary, and you can leave them as is if none apply to you. After enabling the checkbox, click Save. Wait for a confirmation message or notice indicating that your settings were saved successfully. Saving locks in the change and ensures the option is available during checkout. That's all you need to enable cash on delivery in your Appy multi-vendor marketplace. Once saved, COD will appear among your payment choices at checkout. If you don't immediately see the option in your preview or live app, give it a moment to propagate or refresh your builder view. If the multi-vendor marketplace or payment settings sections aren't visible to you, check that you're in the correct app and that your plan and permissions support marketplace payments. Thanks for watching. With cash on delivery turned on, you're giving customers a familiar, low-friction way to complete purchases, especially helpful in regions where cash is preferred.